In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add snow to a video. You'll learn 3 ways to do it: by applying a slide effect, by overlaying another video, and by adding a mask layer. We'll be using SmartShow 3D, an easy-to-use video making program. Let's get started. The first technique is pretty easy and lets you fully control the snow effect. Begin with adding your video to the timeline, then switch to the slide editor. Click on Slide Effects and choose the first option. Select a snow animation that you like and add it to the slide. Hit the Preview button to see the result. You can change the effect settings if you want. For example, choose another type of snowflakes. Change the way they fall using presets from the drop-down menu: blizzard, large snowflakes, falling slowly. Adjust the main settings: the number of objects and their size, animation speed, melting height, and direction. For a more precise control, go to Advanced Settings. Here you can choose the motion type: spinning or swinging. Adjust the rocking motion and appearance probability of different elements. Click Apply to save your settings, and preview the result. The second technique involves overlaying your video with pre-made snow footage. This is an easy technique, but you'll need to download a snow effect video first. Make sure to choose a video with snow against a black background. Let's begin. Here we already have a slide with our video on it. Go to Add Layer, select the previously downloaded footage, then open it. Hit the Fit to Frame button so that the clip covers the bottom video layer. Now check the Glow Mode box. Hit the Preview button to see the result. And the last way to add snow to a video will be useful when you want to apply a snow effect to a specific part of your clip. First, let's add a snow effect to the slide and adjust the settings. Now we'll make it appear only behind the window. Click back to Slide Layers. Go to Add Layer and add a mask layer. Choose a suitable shape. Place it over the window and adjust the size. Then apply the mask to the layer with slide effects. Hit the Preview button to see the result. Now you know how to make a snow overlay video. Download SmartShow 3D from the official website and start creating enchanting videos right now.